Before the US stock market opens today, many investors are asking one simple question. Which stocks could move higher today? Now let me be very clear, this video is not about guarantees or quick profits. Instead, we'll look at 5 US stocks that are showing bullish signals based on market data, volume activity, recent news, and overall trends. If you're an investor or beginner trying to understand how professionals identify stocks to watch, this video will help you think smarter, not riskier. This video is for education and market analysis only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Stock 1. Apple. Apple is showing strength due to steady institutional buying and strong support near key price levels. Recently, Apple has benefited from continued demand for its ecosystem, AI-related optimism in large tech stocks. From a technical perspective, Apple is holding above important moving averages, which often signals bullish sentiment, not certainty. This makes Apple a stock to watch, especially if volume increases during market hours. Stock 2. Nvidia. Nvidia remains one of the most closely watched stocks in the US market. Why? Strong positioning in AI and data centers. High relative volume compared to its recent average. When a stock shows price strength plus high volume, it often means investor interest is increasing. That doesn't guarantee upside, but it raises probability, which is what smart investors focus on. Stock 3. Tesla. Tesla is known for volatility, but that also creates opportunity. Right now, Tesla is reacting to broader EV market sentiment. Technical bounce from previous support zones. If Tesla breaks above short-term resistance with volume, traders often see momentum-based moves. Again, this is not prediction, it's observation of behavior. Stock 4. Amazon. Amazon is showing gradual strength due to cloud business stability, e-commerce demand expectations. From a market psychology point of view, large-cap stocks like Amazon often move when overall market confidence improves. That's why many investors keep Amazon on their daily watch list. Stock 5. Microsoft. Microsoft continues to benefit from AI integration, strong earnings consistency. Technically, Microsoft often acts as a market leader. When MSFT holds strong, it reflects confidence in the broader tech sector, something long-term investors closely monitor. None of these stocks are guaranteed to go up today. But they are stocks showing conditions that investors track before making decisions. The key lesson here is simple. Smart investing is not about predictions, it's about probabilities, risk management, and discipline. If you want daily US stock market explanations without hype, subscribe to Finance Decode USA.